Today we're making a soft, fluffy banana log cake filled with fresh bananas, light whipped cream, and topped with a rich chocolate peanut coating. Start by cracking 5 eggs in a bowl and whisking until it is fully combined. Gradually add 73 grams of granulated sugar, about 2 tablespoons at a time, whisking well after each addition. The mixture will increase in volume and become light and slightly fluffy. Add a pinch of salt and continue whisking until it turns creamy and airy. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of baking powder, slowly fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture to keep the batter light. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of water, folding gently until smooth and fully incorporated. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper and pour in the batter, spreading it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. As soon as it comes out of the oven, carefully roll the cake into a log while it is still warm, then let it cool in that shape. This prevents cracking later. For the chocolate peanut coating, roughly chop 50 grams of peanuts and set aside. In a bowl, place your chocolate, then heat 1 tablespoon of cream along with a bit of chocolate separately until warm. Pour the warm chocolate cream over the chocolate, then warm up the whole bowl. Once heated, stir into a smooth glossy mixture. Add the chopped peanuts and mix well to create a crunchy chocolate topping. Once the cake has cooled, gently unroll it. Spread a generous layer of whipped cream over the surface. Slice 3 bananas into round pieces and arrange them evenly over the cream. Carefully roll the cake back into its log shape. Pour the melted chocolate peanut mixture over the rolled cake, letting it drip naturally over the sides and covering it. Leave it to set until the chocolate cake firms up. And there you have it, a soft banana log cake with fluffy cream filling and a rich chocolate peanut crunch on the outside. If you enjoyed this easy cake roll recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who loves chocolate desserts.